Why carry a boring plain tote bag when you can carry a masterpiece? For Art Hour, I wanted to create something that celebrates my beautiful city of Berlin, but also promotes sustainability. So grab your acrylic colors because today we are upcycling. I started by sketching out some of Berlin's most iconic landmarks. We have the majestic Berliner Dome, the famous Brandenburg Gate. Since my channel is all about the fusion, I wanted to print this classic German skyline using incredible vibrant color. Also, it should be bold color that remind me of Indian pop art. Working with acrylics on fabric means you have to build up the layers. Look at how those sunset color make the building pop. I painted this specifically for Art Hour. That is why I added the green trees and the people riding bicycle at the bottom. Earth Hour is all about turning off the lights and protecting our plants. And what better way to do that than by cycling and using reusable canvas bag? Finally, I added the Berlin text in the glowing sky and signed it with the Monazine. I am so in love with how this turned out. It is bright, it is eco-friendly, and it is a piece of art I can take to the grocery store. So now let me know what city should I paint on the tote bag next. Let me know in the comments and don't forget to hit subscribe. Happy Earth Hour!